If your child has a wart, don't worry. With Compound W Freeze-Off for Kids, you can safely and easily wipe out a wart. It takes just 4 steps. Step 1. Choose an appropriately sized skin shield and apply it so the wart appears in the center. Step 2. Place the can upright on a table and lift off the cap. Then put the cap back on, aligning the arrow icon with the freeze icon. Step 3. Press the cap down for 3 seconds. You'll hear a hissing sound indicating activation. Step 4. Remove the cap. Wait only 2 seconds. Then immediately press the tip firmly against the wart and leave pressed for a maximum of 20 seconds on hands, fingers, or arms, and a maximum of 40 seconds for plantar warts on bottom of feet. Remove the skin shield after treating. For most children, the wart should fall off within 10 to 14 days. If the wart hasn't diminished after 14 days, repeat steps 1 through 4. Your child's skin is on the way to being free and clear of warts. Compound W, the touch of science.